Howdy, Possum Patty here, and I joined the BeebeeCraft Share Unboxing program. Yes, I did, so come on along. So the BeebeeCraft company has a program where if you qualify, they will send you some of their products and you do an unboxing and then you do 2 craft shares and you get these products for free. Now I believe for YouTube channels you have to have a minimum of 100 subbies, but you can find the information on their website, which I will link below. So let's get to the unboxing. The lady that you communicate with was afraid because of the mail system lately that this would take a long time to get here, but it wasn't too bad. And these are the items that I got. I got a little packing slip here. I got 5 things. Okay, the first is the flower stickers. And I thought these were just so pretty. They were like vellum stickers. And they come in different sets by color. Look at these. They are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. There are 40 pieces in each pack. Get some out here. I see a wildflower already. Oh, and there's my favorite, the Black-Eyed Susans. And this is a wildflower. We call these butter and eggs. They're like a wild snapdragon. They're just very delicate and I love them. Look at these. It's an orange one. There's a couple pink ones in here. Lots of Black-Eyed Susans. Different angles. Some more orange ones. There's a different one here. They're just so delicate and the background is clear. And I saw these and I was like, oh, they'll look awesome on tags or ATCs, index cards. So those are the yellow pack. A couple little orange ones in there and a pink one. And this is the pink pack. Okay, this one was called Vigor. V-I-G-O-U-R. Vigor. And this one's called Pink. Pink Deco Sticker, 40 pieces. Open this up. And these are very pretty. Oh, look at this. These are thistles. Gorgeous. They're just so pretty and delicate. Love them, love them. Pink ones are going to be really pretty for spring journaling. Oh, look, there's a pink rose. Isn't that gorgeous? I know they're hard to see. You have to put them on a background almost. There you go. Peonies, a pink peony. Oh, that will go in my peony paper pack. And this is a clover, I'm thinking, by the shape of the leaf. Some more roses. Oh, this is a carnation. A pink carnation. How pretty. pink pansies. They're just very delicate, very delicate. And I think they're going to look really pretty. So there's a whole bunch more down here. Wow. There's a lot in here. Whole bunch of those. I'll put those away after. And this one is called Violet. 40 pieces deco stickers. Let's see. So these are on the purple or the bluish side. Those look like bellflowers. Pansies are my favorite in the spring. Oh, and this one's forget-me-nots. See if I could do this. Sorry if these aren't coming out well on the camera. Okay, the camera's probably not doing them justice. They are beautiful. Because they're very light and on this acetate background. But I do love them. I love them. Look at these pansies. Oh my gosh. How can you not love a little pansy face? These are so pretty. The lighting's not very good today because it's dark and not really raining. It's a little bit of a sprinkle, really. Okay, that looks like a wild violet. Okay, so I got a lot of flowers. I got 40 purple, 40 pink, and 40 yellow. 40 is 80 and 40 is 120 flowers, so a very generous amount of flowers. I'm going to move these aside, and I believe I got stamps and die cuts. Stamps and die cuts. So these are all the die cuts here, and these are my stamps. Just wait till you see these stamps. If you haven't seen these on the BeebeeCraft website, yeah, you're gonna love these. If you love your gnomies like I love my gnomies, look at these little guys. Well, sorry, gal. She's got braids, my little gal gnomie with the braids. And this one with a striped hat. And this one, he's got glasses. And a patch on his hat. And there's like the little dotted line you use for a bee. It says, "You know me so well. There's no place like a gnome." And these are little signs you can put on this little wooden signpost. Also North Pole or enjoy your day. And there's some presents and some flowers and a little tiny mushroom. And check out this mushroom house. Is that not adorable or what? Presents. So cute, so cute. And for the dies, I got a bee. Now I'll quickly run a few of these through my Big Shot so you can see them. So the first one is the bees. I love this. And then the second one, this is a set of 4 different tags. And again, I'll run these through the machine quickly so you can see what they look like. And I love the roundy shape on this one. And it comes with a little star embellishment you can add. And this one is a fishtail tag, and it comes with a flower. Of course, you can mix and match. And I like the shape of this one. And this one comes with a heart. And then I love the ripply edge on this one. And this one comes with little corner dies. And this one up here has some hearts on it, so you could probably mix and match this heart with these two. And the last set of dies are trees. Where's that white paper? Look at this. You know, that's going to look awesome in my fall journal for sure. And then there's these tall pine trees, which can be for fall. Or, you know, I have a pack of Lodge paper from Hobby Lobby. So these will look nice on a Christmas journal page. And then we got some Christmas trees. Now this, I think you can layer this to make one tree with a little star for the top. So one has the garland, one has the lights on it. I'll run this through and let you know how it looks. Okay, this is not a project share. This is just, I ran some of these really quick through the Big Shot machine, and I did one really quick stamp just to get an idea of what these look like. I'm going to start with the tall trees. And I didn't know this, but when they come out in two pieces, so there's sort of like an outline and a center. So if you run it through with a couple of different colors, you can mix it up. Or you can get a solid tree, or you can get like the outline of a tree. So these are really cool, and I will do a proper project with these. I just wanted to see what they look like. The other trees, like a whole forest here. And when you run it through, really, really cute. Love that, love that. And then the third tree set are these Christmas trees. And these come decorated. So you have one with Christmas ornaments or balls, whatever you want to call them, Christmas balls. One with garland. And I think this one is a string of lights. Or maybe more decorations. I put one on this tag. This is the one I'm calling the garland, little star. Star comes with the set. And then, oh, this is some more I cut out. I did it in pink. Pink and blue, pastel colors. That one's speckled. And then I put one on this tag, and this one I layered up. I just put them all on top of each other, the white on the bottom. Well, it's sort of a speckle. And then the pink garland, and then the green balls. This is still wet with glue because I'm just doing a fast job here. Again, this is not my project share. This is just me wanted to see really quick what they look like. Then there's this set with the hearts. The large one have hearts at the top. And this is what they come out looking like. Basically, it's a square tag, but it's got these really pretty hearts at the top. And then the smaller ones have this ripply edge to them. You could probably even layer these up to look nice. And that said, I didn't punch out the little corner pieces yet. Like I said, I will do a project share. And then this one is the fish tail. And I did not punch out the flowers yet. But this is what the fish tail tag would look like. Very nice. And then the one with the rounded top. I like this shape. And then the, what do you call this top? I forgot. And then the bee die I put on this tag, and I ran it through a couple of times, so I used the green off of one and the pink off of another to decorate it, and I did put a little glitter glue on the wings. And then for the stamps, I just inked it up and pressed the whole thing down so it didn't come out very clear. But I love my gnomies. I just wanted to show you what the stamps would look like. I messed it up right there. But like I said, I just pressed the whole thing down on the paper, so it's not really how you're supposed to stamp. Unless you have one of those things like that. I didn't even put it on a block, so that's why it messed up a little bit. It's not the stamps, that was me. So stay tuned for the 2 project shares. I have so much to play with here, and this is a sponsored unboxing. So thanks for coming along today, and happy making. Bye-bye.